Hi, today I'm going to make a chicken burrito, and I'm beginning this burrito with my cilantro rice. If you looked at my previous episode, I made the cilantro rice from scratch. I recommend using Bush's black beans or just that Bush brand. I've actually added a clove of very finely chopped garlic to those canned beans. I didn't add anything else, and the flavor is amazing. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own pico de gallo. As you may have noticed, we are making a little bit of a copycat burrito from someplace that's popular. And so we're going to make this pico de gallo by adding an eighth of a cup of red onion, an eighth of a cup of tomatoes, a little less than an eighth of a cup of white onion, and very finely chopped cilantro. We'll add lime juice, salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it, pico de gallo. And so I'll set that aside. I refrigerated it after I sort of mixed all my ingredients together. Next, I'm grating just an eighth of a cup of Monterey Jack. And I've set that aside. I'm using the larger size tortilla shells for the burrito, and I'm using flour. From there, I'm going to begin to build my burrito. And so I've added the cilantro rice. You can add as much or as little as you want. My black beans. I had some leftover chicken legs that I had baked, and I cut those up as my chicken. That's going to be in the chicken burrito. I have topped it with the Monterey Jack cheese, the pico de gallo that I had just made and refrigerated, and I have folded my burrito, and here you have it. It has all of the ingredients of our famous chain, and I think it's just as good, if not better, making it at home.